We're calling this one the Wildly Naked and Famous, a delicious equal parts cocktail using some burnt orange infused Aperol flavor to the next level. Here's how you make it.
So I've been obsessing over cooking things over open fire. Oklahoma Joe's Barrelcraft series, which makes doing stuff like this really easy. Toss some citrus and brown sugar and cook it over open fire. You're gonna get some incredible flavor.
This is gonna call for mezcal, yellow chartreuse, and Aperol. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce of lime juice, 3/4 ounces of our burnt orange infused Aperol. We're gonna do 3/4 ounces of yellow chartreuse. And we're gonna use some mezcal. This is one of my favorites. This is Wild Commons Ensemble Mezcal. And then we're just gonna shake that up over some ice. Thank you so much. And then we're gonna double strain because we don't want any ice chips in that drink. Woohoo, perfect.